Now I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. So I just got this phone in, super excited to check it out. Wanted to point out it comes in 4 different colors. You can get it in white, graphite, lavender, and olive, but I went with that graphite. Now the S20 Fan Edition sold really well for Samsung, so it makes sense that they kept this series alive. Plus, yeah, I really like the S20 Fan Edition for sure. Okay, so here it is. Looks pretty good so far. Let me get it out of the box and we'll see what else comes with it. Okay, looks very similar to the S20 Fan Edition. Now let's see what else it comes with here. It looks like probably a charging cable, maybe some instructions. All right, definitely feels like a charging cable for sure. I miss the days where they would give you some free earbuds in here, but those days are long gone. Okay, so I don't really need either of these. Now, as far as some of the specs on this, it's got a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It's got glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus, and then it's got the plastic back with the aluminum frame. Now, just getting the wrapping off of this thing, I'll hold it up to the camera for you guys. But yeah, I mean, it looks really nice. It feels really nice too. It's impossible to tell that the back of this phone is plastic, but yeah. I will say the nice thing about having not an all glass design on some of these, newer phones is that if you drop it on the first time, it's not going to crack right away, which is nice. Okay, now I'm going to power it up. Also, if you guys could tap the like button as you're watching this unboxing, I would definitely appreciate it. Let's get this baby started up. Okay, so to save time, I skipped through this startup screen, and the first thing I like to do whenever I get a new phone is check out some of the wallpapers. So let's see what the S21 FE has, and it looks like we've got 6 different options. Kind of like this tinted darkish green, so I'm going to switch it up to this, and then we'll take a look at some of the other things on this phone. I will say the display is nice and big. There's really not a notch on either the bottom or top, which is nice. I also forgot to point out this phone is selling for $699 on the 128 gig model, and yeah, I kind of like this wallpaper better. Looks a little nicer for sure. Now, yes, this phone also comes with 128 gigabytes of storage, which is a good amount. The battery on it is a 4500 mAh non-removable, which is good news because a battery of that size for this phone should give it a really good battery life. Okay, the next thing I want to do is go over some of the performance on this phone, and we're going to check out some of the video quality. I'm going to throw up a quick 1-minute clip. We'll check out some of the sound quality as well, so let's check this out. Okay, so I will say this phone is definitely loud, a lot louder than I expected, and I've been using the Galaxy Z Flip 3 a lot, and I would say this S21 Fan Edition is actually a little bit louder. Okay, now I wanted to do some gaming on it. I'm going to play some Jetpack Joyride. I had a second to download this game. Absolutely love it, so we'll check out some gaming on this phone, and then I'll wrap things up with some of my final thoughts and first impressions on the S21 Fan Edition. All right, so as far as first impressions go, definitely loving the S21 Fan Edition. Like I said, I love the previous S20 Fan Edition, and it makes sense that Samsung is keeping this series alive. Anyways, I'm going to be putting some more videos out on it in the coming days, so definitely stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching it, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.